encounters. Marijuana's harm will eventually spill onto communities and society. To argue that individual consumption of marijuana entails only individual consequences is to argue that individuals exist in something of a vacuum. The reality is that citizens within society are highly interconnected and interdependent. If marijuana use leads to the degradation of an individual in various ways, this creates stresses on other individuals who depend on that individual. For example, an individual may be unable to function properly in their job due to marijuana use, and this may damage the business they are involved with. This damage in extreme circumstances could lead to layoffs of other workers or possibly even the disintegration of a business. Another frequent example is the degradation of a family due to marijuana use and the subsequent degradation of a church and community. To significant degrees, these social damages can be seen as violations of the liberties of other individuals to the extent that the liberties can be defined as the opportunity for individuals to seek fulfillment and happiness. Some are pressured into using marijuana without a choice. The notion that individuals should be free to make the choice to consume marijuana is predicated on the notion that they are fully informed of the costs and are in a position of detached judgment. The problem with this assumption is that many individuals grow up in, for instance, ghettos where marijuana is widespread. Social pressure to consume is high, and few information is available regarding the cost. In addition, an individual may be illiterate or lack sufficient recourse to uncovering the cost. Is it fair to that individual to expect that they can make a sound judgment? No. The guidance of marijuana's illegal status is an important barrier and red flag to such individuals. Legalizing marijuana is tantamount to legalizing speeding on roads and highways. Legalization of marijuana would solve the marijuana problem the way legalizing speeding would solve the speeding problem. It would remove the legal inhibition of a dangerous behavior and thereby encourage the behavior. Criticism of current marijuana policy typically starts by limiting the calculation of marijuana's societal cost to the cost of arresting and imprisoning marijuana users. This way of calculating the cost minimizes those produced by the use of the drug itself, i.e. the cost of treatment, drug driving crashes, and lost productivity. When the costs related to the use of marijuana are minimized, the legalization of marijuana gives the appearance of reducing marijuana-related social costs in the same way that